want to sing some more?
Yeah, do you want to sing some more?
Well, I'm sure your lovely viewers wouldn't want to hear me sing some more.
I like singing, I think.
Well, I support the church choir by staying out of it.
Yeah, a lot of
One of the
artists.
most artistic cities in the world.
Really?
And this is where I first went scuba diving.
Really?
Actually, well, I got certified to go scuba diving because the first time I was in Hawaii.
It's a dead end.
But that doesn't count. It's a dead end unless you have wings.
Ooh, look at that guy's hair. Ew.
Oh, here comes the police. Here's some good vlogging.
Look at that guy, the blonde hair.
Can you guys give Brendan a little love and a toy or something?
What?
Give Brendan a little toy and play with him. He's getting a little...
He's been playing with it.
There you go.
Police.
Talking to a drunker.
Uh-oh.
There's no shirt on.
Trouble.
So,
No sunshine today.
This
On our
is...
memorial.
What's this place called?
Montage. Oh, God.
Main Beach.
Main Beach.
I think so.
It's hard to show. There it is, though. It's gonna be fun.
And we have another
So.
vlogger in here.
Yep,
Maggie
me too.
Dufresne.
Woo-hoo. I'm not professional. I'm recording on my phone. Sorry. I have a camera. I just didn't bring it.
Yeah.
It's Nikki from the Brookie and Nikki spot, starring Nikki.
Oh, are you vlogging? I thought you were talking to someone on the phone.
Oh no. And then there's Veggie, featuring Veggie.
Look at the flags.
Yay.
That's what we call
God bless America.
Wow.
it. You know they're vlogging. You know they're
I
vlogging.
support.
Alright, well.
Stand beside her and guide her.
Alright, we'll be back in a minute.
Do you want my singing joke?
Or put your finger in the camera.
Oh, look at this.
Oh,
People are
what?
blowing bubbles. Nikki, let me tell. Oh, look at that
Oh,
big
look
bubble.
at the bubble.
Someone's got a big bubble. That's where Mr. Wyland lived, actually, and his mom and his aunt are on the bottom floor.
His aunt lives with him?
He bought a house for his mom and his aunt.
Oh.
And then he lives right above them.
Oh, that's cool.
We should go there sometimes, girls.
They've been working on the house for a long
Whoa, that's a brand new house. Forget about Long Beach and Huntington Beach and Newport Beach. Montage.
From the mountains to the montage, to the oceans wide with foam. Maggie, you better sing because you got the voice. I'm just.
I got a little bit of a raspy voice.
You and Brookie can sing and dance.
Oh, love this place.
This is where we got married. In my dreams. Actually, I did think of this. This was on our honeymoon list, but we went to a place I think even better than this.
This is my favorite beach. I love this beach. It is the Montage in Newport Beach. Or, sorry, Laguna Beach. We live in Newport Beach. Laguna Beach is about 20 minutes
tell them the story,
south.
But I have to
Okay.
do this. I said, here's my username for Animal Jam.
Oh, yeah.
So, I met the Neverlander's daughter on Animal Jam. So.
Yeah, that was really cool. And she's a 4th grader, right?
Going into
She's going into 4th, yeah. That is cool. little photo shoot going on right here.
Whoa.
That's cool.
And they're like, what?
Ricky says they're twerking over there.
We are.
Let me get it up close here. I've never heard of twerking.
Hey, Grandma!
Little do they know they're going to be on YouTube right now.
Go up close, babe. They're
Oh,
drunk enough
now
that
they're
they'll like it.
square dancing. Me and Brittany.
Oh boy.
Twerk it up! Twerk it! Twerk it!
Wait, let's show me and Bricky square dancing and stuff. I don't know how to do it. Ready? Here we go. Let's go right here.
Woohoo!
Working at the montage. Or no, this is square dancing.
That's swing dancing.
Swing dancing?
Now it's square and swing.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, you twerk.
No. Nikki, show him twerking.
Twerking? I have no idea. That's a new word for me.
I think I know what twerking is. This is twerking.
Yeah, you try to do it.
Uh-oh, here comes the...
I'll go
Oh
with this
no.
man over here.
Oh no. Oh no. We don't want to see that.
Let's feel your
It's
eyes.
the last part of the
We
Macarena.
don't want to see that. I'm not showing your bum on that. I'm doing the waist up.
Like
She's
that,
doing it!
Let's see.
right? No.
Look at this wave. This is beautiful. And pretty large size for a small day.
I think like this, guys.
Hey, Brookie,
Let's
wait.
see.
I want to see the wave and then I want to see it work.
Oh,
Whoa!
careful.
There's doors all over.
Yeah, that's
Okay,
not-
twerk it, Bricky. Uh-oh, babies.
Like, this party.
You okay, baby?
You want it to work? Let's show him how you twerk.
Okay, ready?
Brandon's gonna twerk. Ready?
I don't know if you know. I don't know how to do it. I think it's like a. It's more adjusted.
Here, Brandon's,
want me to do a
Brandon's gonna show you guys how.
like that.
Ready? Brandon's gonna do
Go
it.
down on your knees.
Brendan's doing it in the background.
No, you have to like shake it up. Yeah. But Miley Cyrus does it better.
Oh,
Brandon
is that
does it the best. Ready?
all the young pop stars twerk it?
Yeah.
Is that
She's
what-
not very young.
Here goes Brandon.
Twerk it, Brandon, twerk it.
Ready, guys?
Okay, ready.
Oh, sorry.
Twerk it, twerk it.
Oh, he's shaking his head off. Poor
Careful.
thing.
Careful your little head.
My little
Oh,
love.
no, like this. Oh, wait, turn him around real quick.
Wait a second. He wants a picture with his shades on.
Wait, turn him around real quick. Turn him around.
Around really quick.
No, like,
You want his bum? Well, you don't want his bum, but you want to see his bum.
okay.
Shake it, shake it.
It's like, what are these people doing to me?
Oh, yeah.
What are they doing to me?
Hey, cutie Brendan. Hold on. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go.
But be careful, you get scrapes. Yeah. That's how you play it. That's how you play it.
He's laughing. Okay, do the falling game with this.
Every step you take, you have to fall. And whoever can get to wherever you want to go wins.
It's called the falling game and the surfing game. Yeah, surfing USA.
Falling game? I've never heard of such a game.
I made it up.
Bet you're doing a little photo session.
1, 2, 3.
Tell me when you're recording.
Okay, it's recording.
That's why I should go slow-mo. Wait, I wanted slow-mo! Wait. This is the one.
You're like a dead fish on the floor.
Look at my hands!
Oh my goodness, dramatic.
Alright, everybody. So, we've got Bricky, Nikki, and Fedgy, and Brendan. Well, I guess not really Brendan, but they're all just playing some monkey in the middle. And they told me that I should vlog them. That wasn't quite how it works. Ah, Bricky almost had it. It's so high. No. We got a game. It's a championship. They're throw a little lower. Oh, there we go. Oh, Bricky almost. Oh, wait, does Bricky have it? Bricky, woo! It's out on Fedgy. Fedgy, you're in the middle. And then we got the beautiful beach, which is Nikki's favorite beach, as she said, so, yeah. There's the beach. And now they're gonna play some more. My mom just called me. I'll be right back.
Ah! Oh. Brandon! My lover boy! Hey, Benny Brenny! Hi. Oh, that's so beautiful and precious. Can't believe it. Such a good boy.
I just ate and now I'm full and I'm ready to play, huh?
On the beach? Could life get any better? Oh my.
On a Monday.
Maggie and Brooke.
What are those girls doing up in the hill? They're having a photo shoot?
Oh, wow.
They're getting their picture on up there, huh?
I don't know if I should be vlogging that.
Can you see anything?
I think so. Oh, yeah, you can see too much. Okay, goodbye.
You're lost in the ocean.
Nikki's lost in the ocean. Ow!
I'm drowning.
Are you filming me? Yeah.
Maggie's lost.
No, I'm not lost. I'm not that stupid.
Welcome to our show. Thank you. Everyone, please have a seat. Please. Oh, here comes the star of the show. She's taking me
I
out.
was trying to jump. I was like,
That wasn't a good jump, sister.
Vloggy buddies!
Hey, fellow vlogger.
We should really
Whoa.
sit on the fire for 2
Stop.
minutes.
Just kidding. And then look at the little bundle that they...
Why don't we have another piece on fire?
That's what it was. The card was full.
Oh, you filled your card.
Yeah.
Your card filler.
I had too many movies on there. So now I know. Ooh, that's smoky.
This
That's
is
beautiful.
wonderful. We're
Nikki,
having-
you guys, let's
we're-
see my
we're
horrible
having a
cartwheel.
little fireside chat.
Let's
right
see
now.
see my horrible cartwheels. Ow.
Okay, go for it.
Yeah, let's go.
It's horrible. Just wait and shield your eyes.
Ta-da! Brendan, do you have a thought of the day?
He says,
We're all in there?
you're all in there.
Okay. Thanks everyone for being with us. And we'll see you in the next video. Thanks so much for being with us at the beautiful Montage Resort in Laguna Beach.
Have a grateful, blessed week.
Bye.